have reached airport Frankfurt and I'm heading to my next flight, which is Air Canada, and from Air Canada I'll be going to where? Vancouver. Welcome back. Guys, I have reached in shuttle bus. You can see people are standing. Okay, now I'm heading to the aircraft and this shuttle bus will take me. So guys, I'll show you how this airport looks like from outside. So stay tuned. So guys, here I'm heading to Air Canada. Well guys, here I'm traveling to Air Canada now and I'll be going to Vancouver. So you can see my flight over there. Yeah, that's it, my flight, guys. So once I land in Canada, I will be ready. Well guys, I'm inside the plane now and it's look very beautiful, you can see. Okay, and this is the first time I'm traveling in Air Canada, so I'm little to know what is the food tastes like and what is service in Air Canada. So finger crossed and I'll catch you later. Well guys, I have reached Vancouver. Now I'm heading for my luggage and from luggage immigration and then I'll go out. Well, sorry guys, I was not able to record video because it was not allowed. I was in immigration clearing my baggage and all the immigration process. So right now I'm out of the airport and I'm going towards my hotel. So I'll just show you how Vancouver looks like. Just have a look. Well guys, we have reached the hotel. We means me and my friend. This is our hotel over there. Okay, and there's our luggage. We need to take all the luggage in and I really want to go there and take some rest because I am literally exhausted now after 24 hours journey. So catch you later. Bye.